Hi everyone, welcome to my beauty and makeup channel. And this is Time with the Glam Girl. I'm so excited to share my tips, tricks, and tutorials with all of you. In this first video, I want to introduce myself and give you a little background on my passion for beauty and makeup. I've always loved experimenting with different looks and products, and I've spent years perfecting my skills and learning about the latest trends and techniques. I know that there are so many beauty and makeup channels out there, and I'm honored that you've chosen to spend your time watching mine. Whether you're a beginner, just starting out with makeup, or an experienced pro looking for new inspiration, I hope that you'll find something useful and enjoyable here. One of the things I'm most excited to share with you is my love for affordable and drugstore makeup. I believe that you don't need to spend a lot of money to look and feel beautiful, and I'll be showing you some of my favorite budget-friendly products and how to use them in my upcoming videos. I'll also be covering a wide range of beauty and makeup topics, including skincare, hair, and nails, as well as special occasions like weddings. I'll be doing product reviews, tutorials, and hauls, as well as Q&A videos where you can ask me anything. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below letting me know what you would like to see in my future videos. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. I can't wait to see your beautiful faces in my comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.